have a family heading home. The kids are at the back with the mother, and they're not wearing their seatbelts, which is boom, boom. Then you have a car hitting them. Exactly, I don't know where the hit was from. Maybe it's on the left or the right, which is very dangerous. There's no seatbelt. Look at the kid in the middle. Oh, and now we have another scene. Now people are at the back. Women are wearing their seatbelts, and they're going boom. There's a hit. Whoa! Now they're wearing their seatbelt, but you can see that the woman on the left got a hit from the ceiling of the car. Whoa! They're in pain. Come on. Now this one is a really scary one. Now this guy is not wearing seatbelts, which is very bad, extremely bad. And he's just driving on his home humbly way and stuff. Then what? Then boom, there's a hit from the left. Apparently he flipped, and look, he went to the back of the car. Now insure your car, wear your seatbelt. Are you still here? Call the number on your screen. Call now, insure your car.